Díomh is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say excuse me in Irish. Let's learn the two most common ways. Gumalishkel. Gu-mo-lishkel. Gumalishkel. It literally means accept my excuse. You can use it to get someone's attention, to get someone to move out of your way, or as an apology. Repeat after me. Gumalishkel. Another way to say excuse me is tá brón orm. Tá brón orm. Tá brón orm. It literally means there is sadness on me. You can use this as an apology or to ask someone to get out of your way. Repeat after me. Tá brón orm. Want to improve your Irish? Why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.